I were to be a dangerous, terroristic person, they will come and negotiate with me. They won't bring me to court. The DSS claims that it's their job to protect the president. It's their job to protect him, but it's not their job to police free speech in Nigeria.
Exactly.
The DSS takes its inspiration from the Secret Service, which exclusively protects the president. The Secret Service has never filed a lawsuit against an American who said Trump is this or that, because they use America. But let's even concede that they're not used in America. We can do it. Because Americans don't have that type of problems. Americans have great jobs, there's no unemployment. So Americans can decide to we have gotten to where America was in 1900. Our circumstances are different. And we must approach it with the tenacity and the ferocity that is required. So that those who claim to be our leaders, whether they rig themselves into office or they seize power, we want them to achieve. And I'm saying this that even under the military, when the military will serve me, they refused to serve me. They were hoping that they come and ambush me. They did not want to serve me because they are afraid that I will be prepared to fight. But I decided to come because even cases that don't concern me, they come to this court to attend to them. So, what is important, Nigerians, is that our focus on how to fix this country is our inalienable right. In the process of doing that, we will not spare anybody. Because we are 200 million people and we deserve good governance, we deserve attention, we deserve accountability, transparency, we deserve basic minimum standards of government and tenets, all of which is freedom of speech. You cannot litigate against us in any court or criminalize it. Even the man who drunkard in the nice of wicked, who said an American has never called Trump a criminal, was presented with over 1,000 videos. The DSS claims that it's their job to protect the president. It's their job to protect him, but it's not their job to police free speech in Nigeria.
Exactly.
The DSS takes its inspiration from the Secret Service, which exclusively protects the president. The Secret Service has never filed a lawsuit against an American who said Trump is this or that, because they use America. But let's even concede that they're not used in America. We can do it. Because Americans don't have that type of problems. Americans have great jobs, there's no unemployment. So Americans can decide to we have gotten to where America was in 1900. Our circumstances are different. And we must approach it with the tenacity and the ferocity that is required. So that those who claim to be our leaders, whether they rig themselves into office or they seize power, we want them to achieve. And I'm saying this that even under the military, when the military will seize power through martial music, we confronted them. Even though we didn't appoint or elect them, how much more? The so-called civilians who supposedly were elected by the constitution that is the whole of the time. Even though I don't believe in that constitution. That's all they have to do. So I just want to make it very clear, and it's very important for all of you, particularly individuals. There's no offense committed, and the trial will not continue today because there's no way to prosecute an offender. It's basically the reason why he came is that's why he was not prepared. He did not know that I could not be stabbed. Because I think he was arrested and burned here. Because I found out in the initial charge that they published he refused to sign up on the charges. He was not consulted. But the DSS had to force him to come here. They know me representing Nigeria. Their lawyers were not face me. So they are both the DPP must learn the hard way.
Exactly.
That's yes.
Away from this wrong court settings now.
Yes.
Let's go into the death of the Alliance correspondent yesterday.
Yes.
And we heard that the police will actually be reached out to. What's your reaction you take to that?
I reacted last night. Let me send my condolences and our co-workers. I knew, even without having been told, she's a victim of Nigeria. Nigeria happened to her. I was reading on my way here, not confined. They robbed every flat that before the police did not show up until after she had jumped out of her window, gotten injured, and had no emergency. She was found alive by the police, but when she had been taken to the hospital, the police said they had no fuel in their car. Maybe, if the police had not allowed their car to be stolen by thief, maybe that car would have helped her get to the hospital. Who knows? That's true. So there's a fundamental problem here. We are in trouble. And her own tragedy is just symptomatic of that. But I feel so bad for her. I feel bad for her. And today, maybe I will visit her family. So, again, my condolences. But Nigeria has been doing people dirty everywhere. And our own case came to the surface because she's a member of the elite class. As we are speaking, they are killing people in droves in quarantine. This one's not even here from the police. They have been left to their people of Zamfara left to their fate. People of Katsina left to their fate. Katsina left to their fate. Benue left to their fate. Kidnappers are riding roughshod. Because, again, the leaders have no interest in trivial things and substance. The people that should be treated like the people who are engaging in random and terrorism. But the DPP were probably one of the people meeting with them in Zamfara and taking selfies with them. That's what they do with bandits. If I were to be a dangerous, terroristic person, they will come and negotiate with me. They won't bring me to court. Thank you.
Go back to
No, the law is clear. God said that for you to arrest someone, the person will serve the person in the judge for 10 days, and the person has 3 days. That is happening. Then on the constitution is important to say, at the time, what's the people are going to say, or that one is not. Then secondly, and we almost want to advise people to do because you have arranged the franchise to get to the city because it's all the name. Have you forgotten that? Oh, Jonathan, then. This is the time of occupying the whole day. We carry Jonathan to go and Jonathan what should the occupy? I'm highly disappointed. I don't know that person. Please, as a matter of business, continue this charge and face what is facing you. This is the distraction, and you cannot distract us. We are following you. We want to criticize you. Go to the villages and see how people are working here. The other disaster that died, what he said, President. He died and Nigerians were jubilated. We're talking about President Mohammed Buhari. Nigerians were jubilated. How should you remember that you asked DPP to come and prosecute the former chap against Sowore? Mr. President, why do you need to go for civil litigation? Why do you file action for information and claim millions? Is Sowore under civil immunity? The point you are making is that please terminate, withdraw these charges and separate the immunity.
I just want to correct one quick thing. You said you are following it, I'm not following it.
I said I'm following this.
I am not following his policies, I don't follow his footsteps.
No, not his footsteps. If you go outside and lie, you challenge it.
The other part is that two things. If this charge proceeds after arresting, the president will be willing to come as my witness. Yes, I'm not going to use God as my witness. I want to use him as my witness. That my statements are correct. Even if you go to civil route, truth is justification. I will justify everything about anybody who is in position of authority in Nigeria. I've been around long enough to be able to say this confidently. So guys, thank you so much. We still have 2 other pending cases. How far now?